Okay. Angiosperm means they aren't producing seeds. So will coconut be an example for angiosperm? Coconut has the
Yeah.
seed, right?
No.
So we can't put this coconut into the angiosperm. They are producing seeds. So how to classify them is gymnosperm and angiosperm both are coming from the non-flowering plants. Okay, the plants which do not produce the flowers are classified as gymnosperm and angiosperm. One of them is the gymnosperm, which would produce the seeds. Okay, they aren't flowering, but they produce the seed and naked. Example, cycas and pinus. There is another group of plants who never produce flowers or who doesn't bloom is the angiosperm. They also are not producing flowers, not producing seeds even. Example, Salvinella, okay, Salvinia, Selaginella, like those aqueous plants are coming under angiosperm. They don't produce the seeds and flowers. So we are classifying gymnosperm and angiosperm in the non-flowering plants. You can classify the non-flowering plants as gymnosperm and angiosperm based on their producing seed and naked, angiosperm not producing seed. Okay, now you have this coconut. They are the flowering plants, right? So that's why they are not classified under gymnosperm or angiosperm. They are producing the flowers. So producing flowers, the flowering plants can be divided into or classified into two groups. Can you tell me?
The dicots and the monocots.
Good. So they can be classified into dicot and monocot. So this is a monocot. And the paddy. Paddy also, and the paddy also produces the flowers. Okay, they produce the flowers and produce seeds. Okay, these are paddy are the one seeds. After that they form, right? These are flowers, then form the seeds. So they are monocots. Coconut, paddy are monocot. And grass, they also produce the flowers. So they also come under the monocots. The dicots means mango, okay, rambutan, jack. All the others are coming into the dicot. Now you have, these are the examples for angiosperm, which doesn't produce seeds or flowers. Okay, Mercantia, Pogonatum, they all live in the, most of them live in the aquatic area. Nephrolepis, Selaginella, Acrosticum, Salvinia, Drinaria. Okay, these things.